Now let's start our Outlook 2016 training, where I will show you practically how you can use Outlook in your organization. And I'll not go through all the theoretical part. I'll show you practically how the Outlook is used. Including from the first video, I'll show you how you can configure Gmail account on Outlook. So first of all, if I go to the start menu, I have Outlook 2016. But before opening this, let's open our Gmail account. So here is my Gmail account. First of all, I need to make some settings. Click on settings and see all settings. Now let's go to forwarding and POP. Make sure that this option is enabled. Enable POP for all mail. Right now it's disabled. So now save changes. And that's it. Now let's minimize this and open my Outlook. I've opened my Outlook application. You will see this welcome screen. I'll click next. Do you want to set up Outlook to connect to an email account? Definitely yes. And I'll not configure email account like this. I'll go with the manual setup or additional server types. Next. Now since we have allowed POP or IMAP in the Gmail to connect, I'll select this and click next. Now here is my configuration where I'll mention my name, my email address, POP settings, and etc. Now let's write the name here. That is this. Mention the email. So my email address is this one. And account type is POP3. So incoming mail server is pop.gmail.com. And outgoing mail server is smtp.gmail.com. Now username is my email and the password is whatever you have mentioned in your email. Remember password. I'll now go to more settings, and under more settings I will go to outgoing server, where I will check this option. Use same settings as my incoming mail server. That's okay. Now click on the next one, that is advanced. I'll write here 995 and here I will write 587. And I'll also check this option. This server requires an encrypted connection. So check this, then change this settings to TLS. So these are some settings that you need to keep in mind. You can also make notes of it if you want. Now you can uncheck this as well if you don't want heavy data to store on your PC, and click OK. That's it. Then I'll click on next and it will check the connection, ask you for the login. So click OK. Login to the account is failed. Now it says login to the incoming server is failed. Your email server rejected your login. Verify that your username and password to this account is correct. So let's make sure that the password is correct. Let me just try to re-login. Okay, now I've found the right password. Now let's mention the password here. Then click next. And there's a test. Mention the password again. Okay. Failed. Now you can see that logon to incoming server is still in progress even after waiting for a long time. It means that I need to go to inbox and see this email from Google. Critical security alert, check activity. Sign in attempt is blocked actually. So I need to change it to yes, it was me. And then let's see. Stop, close, and then retry. So even if I turned it on, Google blocked the app. So I need to change my preferences, security. I'll go to security and less secure apps, turn on the access. Turn on. Then let's go back. check it again whether it's turned on. Okay, back, back, and then back again. Now close this. Now let's try to close and log in again. Check the activity. Yes, it was me. Thanks for confirming. Now let's check. New sign in activity. Check the activity. Yes, it was me. You need to check all of these emails and reply to all of them. So it was me. And now let's try to log in again. Next. Now the logon to email server is completed and it is also sending the testing email. So if I check my inbox, here is my test email which has been successfully received. So now my email account has been configured. You are all set. Let's click on finish. And now it will open up the Outlook. So that's how you configure Gmail account on Outlook.